Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I've got an unboxing of the 71 Mach 1 Mustang from Revell. This is a 125 scale kit, skill level 4, and model number 14555. And this kit was released in 2023. There's the bottom. Some goodies for the side. And that's it. It has, according to the box here, it's 121 pieces, molded in white. So let me set you up right here, and we'll get on our way. Alright, so we're going to cut right into this one. Originally, in the What Did You Buy Wednesday video, I mentioned that I would like to build this like the original Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds, the original movie from 1974 or 75. I don't remember exactly what year that came out. But after rewatching that movie, I might as well just make the body out of aluminum and just crumple it up. So what I think I'm going to do is build it as the vehicle before it got destroyed. And we'll see how that goes. It was kind of a lemon yellow, or real light yellow. I don't know what the name is yet. I haven't looked it up. Oh, here we go. Right on top is the glass. There's the back glass. Little side windows, windshield, miscellaneous marker lights, and the headlights. And our first bag on top. It looks like it has the chassis in it. Oh yeah, decent, nice thickness. Here's one of the leaf springs, license plate, the other leaf spring, and the carrier portion of the, not the carrier, but the front cover for the rear end. That's real nice. There's 2022 stamped in there. Alright, that's pretty cool. Here are some wheel backings. Here's the front of the vehicle. That's pretty neat. Front valance and the side mirrors. On this tree we have the console, the rest of the axle minus the front end, sway bar possibly there, more wheel options. Not sure what's up with that yet. It looks like the little pegs that go in the wheels are here. Here's the front strut mounts, or shock mounts I should say, steering wheel, hood hinges, battery, some shock absorbers, clutch, brake, parking brake, clutch, other brake, and fuel pedal. Service brake, that's what it's called. Drive shaft, brake booster, coil springs. That's it for that one. Here we have the dashboard. It looks really nice. The details are a little washed out on it, but they're there. That's a big one. Radiator core support, front frame subframe for the front end, firewall, goes that way, nope, goes that way. Front suspension, little carburetor there it looks like, not positive on that though. Master cylinder, radiator, two different shrouds, some horns, and a steering column over here, and some kind of water bottle, maybe what windshield wiper pump bottle. Well, trouble with the English language today, guys. Sorry. Here's some chrome. I'll go ahead and cut it out of there. Front and rear bumpers. Some lights. I think these are the ones that go in the front on the grill. Shifter. Some little side mirror glass. Not sure what those are. little gas tank cover, and 3 of the wheel emblems that would go in the center, I believe, or they're actually emblems. No, this is the emblem that goes on the back of the car. That's the gas tank, gas cap, I mean. And these, I'm not sure. Here's the body, way down in there. Oh yeah, very nice thickness. Where was this one made? This one made in that place that I don't like. All right, well, it's nice. Nice job on this one. I really like the Revell kits out of Poland and Germany. They really have some superior product compared to the other place. But maybe we'll get lucky on this one. Who knows? Oh, nice. We got some white those white wall tires. Nothing special on the tread. No maker or anything on there. So we'll just set that over there. Another bag of parts. It looks like this is the last bag of parts. So this will be a quick one today, guys. Set that there. And we have the rear tail panel right here. We have the little valance that goes underneath that. Some exhaust pipes and a unpainted bumper instead of chrome. That's cool. If they had another one, it'd be even better. I don't know, it might be in here. Here's the engine. I'm not sure what engine it's supposed to be. I'm going to assume a 351, but who knows. Some valve covers, alternator, engine halves, oil filler thing for the top of the valve cover, water pump, radiator hose, fan belt and pulleys, oil pan, the air is the carburetor, ignition coil, starter, the heads, the exhaust manifolds, a different, well no, I think this part of the water pump attaches to that, so it's a 2-piece water pump. Another radiator hose, another couple little pieces that go under the hood, it looks like, distributor cap, oil filter, another hose here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bladed fan. Really nice looking fan. Nice looking air cleaner too. It has the you could paint the top part to be like the little rubber gasket that seals between the hood and the air cleaner. That's pretty cool. Intake manifold and some more exhaust pipe there. Then we have the hood. Very nice. A little thinner than the rest of the deal, but that's okay. We'll take that. Here's the interior bucket. There's door panels for the sides, sun visors, mufflers, and the bucket seats, the fronts and the backs of the bucket seats. And that's it for parts. And we have, oh, here's the decals. Alrighty. Wow. Nice assortment of decals here, guys. Check those out. Mach 1 Mustang. 429, it says. So this is a 429, not a 351. My bad. Here's a nice decal for the oil filter. That's cool. Air cleaner decal. Some wood grain decals for the dashboard. That's very cool. And I think these are for the door panels. Very neat. I like that. And 007, apparently this is part of that series. But I won't be using that one. And then here we have a encyclopedia, it looks like. 52 steps to build this one, guys. Wow. Pretty crazy. There's a nice looking build there. Whoever did that one did a really nice job. Nothing about the car itself. 007, trademark 1962. Diamonds are forever. Okay. Here we have tips and tricks. things of what these symbols all mean. Here's a parts list. A little bit of required colors if you're going to build it like the box. Okay, that's that. Parts list, pretty cool. 2 sheets, I like it. And then they have it laid out here because I'm guessing, no, these parts are numbered. A lot of times they put them here and they have the numbers in them, which is nice. But usually that means they're not numbered on the tree. But this time we get both, so that's really cool. I like that. And here's the rest of them. Alright. I like how they number the body like we don't know which one that is, right? Yeah, we're going to put our engine together. Yeah, 2 pieces for the water pump. The heads, valve covers, all the basic stuff. Pretty cool. Putting some decals on, seats, console, interior. Put your suspension together. Whatever that is a like a what was it called? The EGR box, the canister. I think that's what that is. Huh. All right. That was to catch all your exhaust fumes. In '71 they started that. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Putting your exhaust in before you put the rear end in. Remember that, guys. That's pretty crucial. Put your tires on. Kind of basic here with the wheels and tires. Put that in. Blah blah blah. Okay. Oh. That one piece is a starter solenoid. That's what that is. It was up on the firewall right there. Very cool. Radiator. The rear end. Make sure you black that out. There you go. Putting that in. Removing that piece. It's always nice to remove that before you paint. But that's just me. There you go. Putting that in. Kind of basic here, but we're only on section 41, so we got 11 more to go. I'm a little confused. There's really not much else, right? Here we go. A lot of decals. Okay. Well, that's cool. This reminds me of the XKE Jaguar kit that I built that had a tremendous amount of detail in it. So hopefully this one will go just as well. This is nice. Yep. Go. Very cool. And this is if you want to display it with the hood up, I think. But actually, these hinges look like they work operational, so you may be able to put your hood on and then open and close the hood. That's a good deal. I like that. And then here we have some more decals going on. Some color choices. Okay. That's 51. And this 52 is the final. Yep. Little decal for the windshield. That's awesome. Gotta love that. Very nicely detailed, guys. Be sure to check out the build video when I get around to doing this one, okay? So that's all I got for today. I want to thank you all so much for sticking around to the end. And please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And hope you have a nice, cool rest of the summer here. It's been blazing hot here. So everybody take care of yourself, and I'll catch you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.